Age of marriage of Oman, 3rd January 2022. Recently, the central government has decided to increase the minimum age of marriage for women from 18 years to 21 years. It is a good intentioned step aimed at changing the attitude of an anti-progress conservative society, which sees the future of women in marriage as soon as they can. However, for this law, the government will have to amend the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the Special Marriage Act 1954, and the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006. Some facts. Official figures show that the average age of marriage of women in India has increased to 22.1 years. 23.3% of women aged 20 to 24 still get married before 18. Child marriage has reportedly increased during the epidemic. This should be attributed to poverty, domestic status of women, domestic work, and traditional notions of family respect to lack of access to schools. For the against the law, the reason behind increasing the minimum age of female marriage by amending pre-marriage laws is to control maternal mortality, raise the nutritional status of women, and open up for women through higher education and career. The panel's report to bring in the law also says that the mindset of patriarchal society spread in the country needs to be changed. If we look at the panel and the government aside from the logic just increasing the legal age of families. The high participation of women of Bangladesh in the labor force is the product of the textile centers there. Healthcare has to be improved and expanded. It should be remembered that the decline in India's fertility rate is not only due to government policies but because of better access to education and the aging of marriage. But when our youth can be given the right to vote, drive, appear in competitive examinations at the age of 18, why should the right to marry be kept away? In social liberal Western countries, the minimum age of marriage is 18 years. So why should India avoid it? Based on various newspapers,